on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making white cheddar chicken pasta. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 large chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 pound of dried Bowtie pasta, 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of chicken broth, 8 ounces of shredded sharp white cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 small onion diced, 1/4 cup of dry white wine, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley, that's for garnish at the end, that's optional, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, and also 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, that's also optional. To a small bowl, I'm going to add in my onion powder, garlic powder, ground mustard, ground black pepper, thyme, oregano, and also my adobo all-purpose seasoning. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Now you want to add your seasoning to your chicken breast. We're just going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. You want all your chicken pieces to be nicely coated in your seasoning. Next, to a pot of salted boiling water, we're going to add in our Bowtie pasta. And we're going to cook it according to our package, 12 to 14 minutes until al dente. Now to a pan over medium heat, I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And you want that to come to temperature. I began to add in my pieces of chicken. You don't want to overcrowd your pan, so you're going to be cooking them in batches. You want your chicken to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can go ahead and turn them over. Okay guys, my first batch is done, so I'm going to remove it from the pan and set it in a bowl to the side. Okay guys, I have my second batch of chicken in. Once your pasta is done cooking, you want to go ahead and drain it and set it to the side. Once the chicken is done, you can go ahead and remove it from the pan. Now in my heated pan, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to let that melt. Once your butter has melted, you want to add in your flour. And you want to lower your heat down. And we're just going to mix it until everything is well combined. Next, we're going to add in our white wine, also our Dijon mustard. We'll go ahead and give that a good mix. Now we're going to add in our minced garlic and our onion. We're going to go ahead and let that saute for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you want to add your milk. We're also going to add in our chicken broth. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Guys, you can go ahead and give it a taste, and if you want to adjust any of your seasoning, you can do it now. Now we're going to let it simmer on low heat for 6 minutes. Okay guys, after 6 minutes, you can see that our sauce has thickened up some. So now I'm going to add in my cheese. Now we're just going to mix it in until it's all melted. Once your cheese has melted, you want to start to add in your Bowtie pasta. Now we're going to mix that until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our chicken. And just mix until well combined. Once you have it well combined, you want to go ahead and turn off your heat. And we're going to let it sit for a couple minutes so the sauce can thicken a little more. Okay guys, so here we have it, our white cheddar chicken pasta. So now I'm just going to add some dried parsley flakes over top. Remember, that's optional. You don't have to add it. And some red pepper flakes. That's also optional. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?